In a world with thousands of religions and beliefs, one question stands out. What is Islam? Islam is not just a religion, it is a complete way of life, guiding a person in belief, worship, character, family, and society. The word Islam itself means submission to Allah, the one and only God. At the heart of Islam lie two powerful beliefs. First, that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah. Second, that Muhammad is his final messenger. This simple declaration is called the Shahada, the testimony of faith. But Islam is more than words, it is action. It stands on 5 pillars. To bear witness that Allah is one, and Muhammad is his messenger. To perform Salah, the 5 daily prayers that connect us directly to Allah. To give zakat, charity that purifies our wealth and helps the poor. To fast during the month of Ramadan, teaching us patience and self-control. And for those able, to perform Hajj, the pilgrimage to Makkah, once in a lifetime. Through these pillars, Islam builds discipline, gratitude, and a deep bond with our Creator. Today, Islam is followed by nearly 2 billion people across the world. From the deserts of Arabia to the streets of New York, from the villages of Africa to the cities of Asia, the message is the same. There is only one God, and He deserves our worship. So, what is Islam? It is the path of truth. It is the way of peace. It is the guidance from our Creator for all of mankind yesterday, today, and forever. This is Islam, a religion of faith, action, and mercy. A religion that calls every heart to come closer to Allah. Are you ready to learn more? Stay connected with us as we continue to share the beauty and wisdom of Islam.